And we got another special car for you. This is a sleeper, but under the hood is a real 66 427 4.25 horse motor with a 4-speed, frame-off restored, rust-free original metal car. Hey, I'm Jay Grams here at the Volo Auto Museum. Go to volocars.com. You'll see pictures, pricing, all the specs on this car and a few hundred other collector cars. They're all awesome. volocars.com. On there you will also find financing. We have shipping anywhere in the country, anywhere in the world, I should say, and plenty of ways to contact us. I have a staff of people here that are willing and able to help you get your dream car. It also starts somewhere, so pick up the phone or shoot us an email with whatever questions or comments or concerns you have. We'll help you out. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're posting really awesome cars on there. We're really cranking them out. We got a lot of nice cars waiting to be videotaped right now. Let's take this one for a spin. They must have found just a cream puff of a car, original metal, has spot welds all along the rockers, all around the wheel well lip, the original dimples. If you're a car guy or a body man, you know what I'm talking about. You never see that. It's always just bondoed over. This is clean, original dry metal. Bottom of the doors are clean. Original quarter panels. Been repainted its original color. It's slate mist blue or something like that, metallic, but it's the original color. They painted everything, the jambs, and it's got a really nice shiny wet clear coat finish. Bumpers are redone. It's got 427 emblem there. It's a 300 Deluxe, so it's a nice sleeper car. Got vintage style torque thrust wheels with new white letter tires. The side molding's been straightened and polished. The trim around the windows are polished like chrome. New handles, has the bow tie mirror. New window seals, new weather strips. Interior's all redone. I mean all of it. The window cranks, the armrest bases, door panels, upholstery, headliner, carpet. The dash is painted, new dash pad, new bezel. The lens is nice and clean. It's a radio delete car. Bench seat has original seat belts, front and back. New windshield. That's a stock 427. Most of the time when I buy a car or I'm told it has a 427, they're later model 454 blocks built as a 427, or it's a 390 horse or 330 horse. This is a 4.25 horse 427 vet motor. The numbers are still up on the pad there. That's what this motor's out of. Has the high-rise aluminum GM intake, the right air cleaner, the right exhaust manifolds, valve covers, GM hoses, GM clamps, new alternator, the washer bottle and squirters hooked up. It even has the glass bottle for the washer fluid concentrate, the radiator, the shroud, the clutch fan. It has a Delco battery topper with the spring clamp battery cables. Just a really, really nice stock engine compartment. This is just a cool setup. This is an old school, true hot rod right here. Trunk compartment has immaculate metal. I was up here with my flashlight. The seams are perfect, clean, dry seams, original, never been cut up or bondoed. Spare rim matches the car. It's a reproduction, polyglass tire, never been used. The jack is all restored, new weather strip. Let me fire this thing up. Oh, frame off restoration. The whole underneath this car is like brand new. There's about 1,900 miles on it since it's done. Front end's all rebuilt, new exhaust, new brakes, shocks, new bushings in the back and the springs, all rebuilt front to back. Pictures at volocars.com of the underside. So it's a radio delete, but it does have a new stereo under the dash. There's also some vintage Stewart Warner oil and temperature gauges. And then the owner just recently put a tachometer on the steering column. It's got stainless mufflers. The odometer was set at 0. Actually, the odometer, speedometer, that's all brand new. So it was at 0 when the car was done. It has 1,935 miles on it now. It's got a Muncie 4-speed Corvette motor and a Sleeper 300 Deluxe. Disc brakes in front, got dual reservoir. This is a hot rod. You like original metal, which most people, that's what they ask for. If you've been around cars, you know that's really hard to find. This is clean, clean original metal. Everything I can see says it's just mint. Again, the dimples all around here, how often you see that. So volocars.com, get there quick before someone else beats you to it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep watching these awesome cars. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.